What's up, outdoor explorers? Getting ready for your next adventure means you need reliable gear that will not weigh you down. If you are looking for the best camping backpack, you are in the right place. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we are looking at an incredible adventure bag that can easily handle your travel needs. Let's get started. Meet the Beesish Camping Backpack. This bag is thoughtfully designed for travel and outdoor enthusiasts seeking that perfect combination of comfort, practicality, and serious durability. When you head into the wilderness, your backpack is your home on your shoulders, and the Beesish brand has crafted something that feels like a premium upgrade for your active lifestyle. Let us start by talking about the build quality. The Beesish Camping Backpack is crafted from high-quality ripstop polyester. This material is incredibly tough and is chosen because it is both water-resistant and tear-resistant. If you find yourself caught in heavy rain or hiking through rough environments with sharp branches, you have peace of mind knowing your belongings are protected. You will never have to worry about a sudden downpour ruining your dry clothes or your camping gear. Next, let us discuss the size and weight, which is an impressive aspect of the Beesish backpack. It boasts a 50-liter capacity, providing plenty of room for your clothes, food supplies, and survival gear for a multi-day trip. Despite offering this huge space, the empty bag remains lightweight at just 1.7 pounds. This means you are not carrying unnecessary bulk before you pack your first item. It has a maximum load-bearing capacity of 22 pounds, making it ideal for those long hikes where you need to carry a lot of supplies but still want to keep your weight manageable. Ergonomics are another huge priority for Beesish, and they have implemented excellent features to ensure you stay comfortable all day. The backpack features padded and breathable S-type shoulder straps. The S shape naturally contours to your body, while the breathable padding prevents your shoulders from getting sweaty. Combined with the elastic back support, this intelligent design actively reduces strain on your spine and enhances your comfort during extended periods of wear. You can hike from sunrise to sunset without feeling dreadful lower back fatigue. Interestingly, this backpack does not rely on a traditional internal or external frame. Some hikers love rigid frames, but going frameless allows for a much more flexible range of physical movement. Whether you are climbing steep rocks, bending down to navigate tough trails, or squeezing through tight spaces while traveling, the bag moves naturally and effortlessly with your body. It never feels stiff or restrictive, giving you total freedom and agility on the trail. When it comes to organization and convenience, the Beesish backpack really shines. The spacious main compartment gives you a huge canvas to pack your primary gear. This is complemented by multiple smaller pockets to help you neatly separate your trail snacks, maps, and small tools. The bag also features two deep side pockets, which are perfect for holding large water bottles. Staying hydrated is important, and having easy access to your water without opening the whole bag is a fantastic benefit. One standout feature on certain color variants, specifically the army green, blue-green, navy blue, and dark purple options, is the independent bottom shoe compartment. If you love trekking through muddy trails, you know how annoying dirty boots can be. This dedicated bottom compartment keeps your dirty footwear completely separate from your clean clothes and food. It stops mud and unpleasant smells from spreading to your other items. For even more versatility, the exterior includes 4 fully adjustable straps. These straps allow you to securely attach bulky items directly onto the outside of the bag. You can easily attach a sleeping bag, a rolled-up camping mat, a camera tripod, or a relaxing hammock. This expands your carrying capacity and keeps your hands completely free while you explore nature. Finally, let us look at the physical dimensions. When fully expanded, the backpack measures 64 by 32 by 19 centimeters. This is a very smart design choice because it meets most airline size requirements. You can use this bag as a practical carry-on option for air travel, avoiding extra baggage fees and saving time at the airport. With its brilliant combination of a large capacity, amazing ergonomic support, and water-resistant durability, this is a truly reliable companion. Are you ready to elevate your next outdoor adventure? Check the price link in the description to find the latest deals and grab yours today. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome gear videos and helpful guides. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you on the trail.